We're back! And we are making New York strip steak.
Salt.
And pepper.
Yes.
Avocado oil. Upside down. Butter and garlic.
And base.
Rest for 15 minutes.
Try it, you might like it.
Let's make a big salad. Romaine lettuce, spinach, red peppers, cucumbers, avocado, grilled chicken, and Parmesan cheese. Dressing is olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and honey. Give it a good shake and pour it over your salad. I know what you're thinking. There's no way I'm gonna finish this salad, and I'm not.
I'm sharing it with my husband. The balsamic with the Parmesan cheese makes this salad so good. Try it. You might like it.
Everyone's asking where I got this crepe maker, and of course, I have an online addiction to Amazon, and I got it there for $26. I've been so obsessed with this crepe maker that I've been making crepes every day. And this morning, I whipped up strawberry crepes with chocolate, I know I need Nutella, and whipped cream. And this time, I rolled them instead of folded them. Try it, you might like it. I've never air fried a pickle. Let's see what happens. First, slice your pickles and dry with a paper towel. Season flour with salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and cumin. And let's get our hands dirty. Flour, egg wash, flour again, and some more egg wash, and of course, our panko. A light spray of olive oil, and air fry it 8 minutes at 375. Try it, you might like it. Now listen to this crunch. So I don't drink alcohol, but today I'm going to show you why I don't drink. Can't believe I'm doing this. So that was pineapple rum, and now I'm adding coconut water. Might as well just go for it and make this delicious. I think I need to lay down. So my head's pounding, my face is obviously red and hot, and my heart is palpitating. My Asian genes does not let me metabolize alcohol, and this is what you call the Asian glow.